Hi all, welcome to the Vision Board community. So today I am inviting to Anchu. So regarding and how make a good job in the data engineering field, putting a lot of effort. So Anju, I am also eagerly waiting to your journey.
Yeah, hi Devi. Yeah,
Hi
first of
Anju.
all, thanks to Vision Board. Actually, I was stuck in my previous role. I thought of switching it. I joined the eighth batch, not
Okay.
recently eighth batch, but that time I couldn't complete. Actually, I was,
Uh-huh.
I went to Germany for some other purpose, but there also I didn't get any better opportunity. So I
Okay.
came back, and so I had some like 4 month career gap there. So then I thought, okay, anyway, I joined Vision Board, right? So I complete the course. So I started
Anju,
training.
previously, which experience you have? How many years you have
No,
previously?
I was into productions, application support role only.
Applications of how
Yeah,
many years?
uh, total 7 years.
Total seven. Then you went into the Germany, right, for
Ah,
getting the
yes,
better. Is
yes,
that
yes.
masters or like an any other?
Yeah, for masters only I went. But
Okay.
after reaching there, I understood it's very difficult to get a job. Like not a big like this is simple jobs also. It is very difficult if we don't have the language. That is very important.
German
German
language you
language
need,
is
right?
important.
Oh,
I
okay.
started learning and all, but I thought why to waste time? Like it will take many months, right? So and I started there itself. I started learning Azure. Like one
Okay.
month I spent there. Also, I learned this course only. Then
Uh,
after coming back here, I think I spent continuous 3 weeks only, like for learning the PySpark, SQL. But SQL and all, I had the foundation basics. I know the advanced functions, right? This Windows function, those kind of
yes.
stuff only I learned. And
Mm.
the project also I did.
Mm.
Then I attended. Start after I think 3 weeks, I started attending interviews.
But
After
in the within 3 weeks, you got a job, right? Like an offer at
ah,
the learning.
but yeah, I can say like around 1 month, 1.5 month, I can say.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
But
but
I think when you're starting that time itself, there are opening because batch 8 means 2025 we started. But when
yes,
you that time, I think you missed those batches, right? That
yes,
learning.
yes.
Okay. But I think now you come back to India getting a job, it is already done. So because many people are abroad, we are calling and they're telling about it's very difficult to getting a job there. Even in the UK,
Correct. Mm,
Germany, people are telling them. But in the Indian market, I would say there are lots of openings are there. How many
mm.
calls you are getting daily?
Many. Now, like today also, I got, I think, around 4 or 5. I got.
That is a very good.
Daily 8 to 9 I was getting.
But in the Germany, we are not getting this kind of
No,
a
no, no, not
no.
even a
Mm,
single call. Like they were
exactly.
rejecting from the request itself. Like when we
Oh,
send mail, just we get just rejection. That's it.
ah,
You
okay.
are rejected. That's it. No reason,
Mm.
nothing. I
Because
think they
outsourcing is
consider
coming into India, right? That was the reason.
yeah.
And the referrals also. I think Germany, they are given more importance on the referrals and their members.
Correct. Whenever
Okay.
they say even our photo also, they'll reject. I think so. They are not looking into our resume also. So
But I would say
uh,
you took a right decision to come back to India because if you staying in a longer time, it will be kind of a struggle
yeah.
because many
Career
people are
gap will
telling the same thing
increase.
to me.
Yeah,
So
that's it.
I'm
After reaching there, after 2 3 months, I got the idea that nothing will work here. So
mm,
better I go early. So I
okay.
came back. Yeah.
And second thing, if you staying in an India at least 6 months, if you switch it again, you can able to touch above 30 also 30 LPA. Because
Mm,
experience already you are working in
yeah,
one company. So that is the market in India. Because
yeah.
every outsourcing, even if you add the fabric or generative AI in your skill set, it will
Mm.
be the demand will be again increasing, not like a
Correct,
Germany
correct.
and all.
But I hadn't had this time because I'm a immediate joiner. They are
Ah,
like pushing me to join that day itself. When I passed that interview, that day itself, they done everything that on
I
board.
saw your message
Uh,
actually because I thought you are at least some more days you have. That's why I ping you.
correct. Then I
Okay.
think I can. get more. Like if that was the reason, then I can get more.
Mm-hmm.
By having like notice period or like 10-20 days, then I would have achieved more offers. But
Okay.
anyway, I got I accepted after 1 year I'll switch or
Yeah,
something.
yeah. That is really good
Yeah,
actually. And so that time we can learn about more on the database and fabric gen stuff more.
yeah,
Attend the interview. Will be touched like an above 30 or like an 35 easily.
yeah, yeah.
Okay. More
Yeah, I
than that
also
is
thought
also.
I'll get some industry experience, the one
Yes.
year or 2 year, then I'll switch.
Exactly. But I would say, and one more thing, like, and when you're thinking about your transition to this application support to data. So
Mm.
how much preparation you did from your end actually?
Yeah, I learned from the basics like Python, everything I learned from the basics. Yeah, actually, I think I every day I spend around 6 to not 7, like 7 to 8 hours daily. I spend
That's
continuously. Spend.
when I'm connecting with it nowadays, everyone tell me who are not job, they are
Uh,
spending 6 to 8 hours
yeah,
daily
yeah.
for
Just
complete
breakfast break,
preparation.
dinner, lunch. That break only I took. Other,
Because
yeah,
continuous focus,
continuous.
we need to understanding the concept, working it again and again, attending the interview. And interviews also sometime lag will be there to scheduling.
Ah, correct, correct. Yeah.
That is also there. But finally, when you're getting an offer, so like I'm
Mm.
putting a lot of effort, what do you feel actually, Anju?
Yeah, yeah, I'm
Let me.
very happy. Actually, after attending 3-4 interviews, I was not getting anything. So I was like very like frustrated kind of thing. Like I'm learning, I'm putting so much effort, but I'm not getting. But once I passed this L1 itself, I was very happy. Then that day
Mm-hmm.
itself, they scheduled L2. But I
Okay.
requested them, can you please schedule tomorrow or one day after? But they didn't. They were very busy, like that they told. So that day itself, but I was not. I thought I will be failing only, like same day, right? L1 and L2. But that L2 also I somehow I could manage.
Okay,
And
okay.
next one was the managerial round only, so they didn't ask much.
Okay.
Few technical questions, but other things were easy only.
Mm. That is also really good actually for the
Yeah.
transition and all. I would also like it's like a good journey, right, Anju? It will be.
Yeah, yeah. Actually, when I didn't think like I can switch career. Like it's
Mm.
support, right? We were not technically sound also, like not done any programming or anything before.
Mm. Okay, but
Uh,
it will be possible. I think previously also people are transitioned from the
mm,
non-IT to IT and
mm.
support to this one. It is possible. And who referred you in the vision board, Anju? Like an
No, no, I saw this ad in Instagram.
Instagram.
Instagram only.
Okay, okay. I thought someone is referred you to the
No,
vision board
no,
actually. Okay,
but
okay.
I am referring now. My
Thanks, Anshul.
yeah,
Thanks for your words also, because at least people are getting the offer letter, right? Don't anyone. If you're sitting in a Germany, you are again
yeah,
struggling, it will be kind of an issue. But now
correct.
you took a decision, you put lot of effort, finally transition to a date. I can feel that happiness, whatever
Yeah,
you're feeling right now.
correct.
Because I also went through that kind of a situation. Obviously, when I'm getting the first offer letter, the energy and like tears and all right, so it will be good.
Yeah, yeah, correct. Very much.
And
Yeah.
we need to focus. I would say in your career you want to focus
Oh,
more,
mm.
definitely you can able to achieve like a more of a letter. Any kind of an help you need in the future also let us know. Even
Okay.
like our mentors or Ashuri or anyone you can approach to us, so
Oh,
definitely we will help you. Next target we need to crack in the next step, okay, once
yeah,
you settle.
yeah, sure. And I want to ask you one thing, Devi. It's they said it will be like a streaming type of project, like Kafka and Azure functions they are using.
Okay.
How do you know where I can learn?